If you want to know how to fix batteries draining fast on the Amazon Fire TV remote, you are at the right place. We have got an easy way that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: reset the remote. When the batteries are draining on your remote for Amazon Fire TV, you can easily fix it up by resetting it. To reset the remote, press the button with 3 lines on the remote, the back button and the left button. You will have to press all these buttons at the same time. You may have to hold it down for about 15 seconds. You will notice that the screen will scroll over on the home button. This indicates that your remote got disconnected from the Fire Stick and has been reset. You will have to reconnect the remote to use it. To reconnect the remote, turn off the TV. Take out the batteries from the remote. Then turn on the TV using the dedicated button on the TV. Once the TV turns on and fully loads, put the batteries back into the remote. To put this into the sink in pairing mode, press and hold down the home button. Keep pressing it until you see a light flashing on the remote. The light should appear for 10 to 15 seconds. This indicates that it is trying to pair with a device via Bluetooth. It should connect to the TV after a couple of minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, if a screen says no remote is detected, hold the button down for longer and it should reconnect to the TV. Now you will notice it is working fine than before. Keep using the remote for a couple of days and then you will surely notice batteries last longer than before. And there you have it, the way to fix batteries draining fast on the Amazon Fire TV remote. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the method. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.